This protocol describes a method that measures the sensitivity of the taste system. This is an important dimension of taste that is independent of taste hedonics.
The TDT test can be used in old and young. It's very easy to understand. It requires less than 15 minutes to complete and uses a very strict set of criteria ensuring a stable outcome measure. Participants should be comfortable and well informed. And if they don't know which of the pair tastes different from water, they just can guess. There are not really right or wrong answers.
To make a tastant stock solution, in this case the stock solution for sucrose, weigh 684.6 grams of sucrose in a disposable weight boat using a balance that is accurate to 0.01 grams. Then transfer the weighted tastant to a 2-liter beaker. Add water to the beaker to dissolve the sample, and rinse the weight boat with distilled water. Then pour this distilled water wash into the 2-liter beaker. Use a funnel to transfer the tastant solution to a 2-liter volumetric flask. Then rinse the beaker and funnel with more water, pooling the wash in the flask. Fill the flask with water to the 2-liter mark. Place a stopper onto the flask and invert to mix until the tastant is completely dissolved. To prepare the intermediate tastant solutions, add 560, 320, 180, and 100 milliliters of the tastant stock solution to each of 4 flasks, labeled 1 to 4 respectively. Then fill each flask to a final volume of 1 liter with distilled water. Close the flasks with their stoppers and mix by inversion.